Let us say we have a data set with sales and profit in it. While a regular column chart is also correct, I don't think this is the best way to present the data. Since sales and profit are correlated to each other, it would make more sense to go to charts and create a scatter chart. Now don't select the first one since the numbers will appear like this. If you go through these different options, you notice you don't really get what you want. So click on more scatter charts and select this one, the second one, the first one. Now while this does make sense because we have profit on the y-axis and sales on the x-axis, there is too much white area. So let me double click on the y-axis and we'll make the minimum 2000 since no profit is less than 2000. Same thing for the x-axis since none of the sales values is less than 20,000, we'll make the minimum as 20,000. Now we can also select the different points that we have, which are called a marker, and we can go to marker options and you can change the type. You can even put an image as a replacement for that marker. The image is too large, so probably we won't do that. But we can also change the size here. And obviously, if you want to change the color, you can go to format and change the color like this. You can also select vary colors by point so that each of the dots appear as a different color. If you want to put an image as this, first I will have to go back to my original image and we just resize it and make it really small in size. Let me resize it to about 50 pixels. That looks okay. Let me save it on my desktop. Back. We can come to picture fill and I will insert this picture that we have on our desktop. You can notice that now we get this image inside this rectangle. So we get a money sign, we get a dollar sign inside this. It just makes it look nicer.